Hello my beautiful subscribers, hello my beautiful viewers. Your boy is back again with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how I am going to prepare domoda for my Netherlands, my Hollandish family. So before going further, I will ask you to subscribe on my channel and turn on the notification bell, and comment down below, how did you see the domoda? How did you think about the domoda? Okay, so suma mbokki followers yi, suma video bi ni maa ngi koy ñëw defar pour defaral suma gaay domoda, pour toggal leen domoda. So domoda bi ni damay bëgg ngeen comment down below, su fekk naka ngeen foogee domoda bi, ndax neex na wala neexut nu ma ko préparé wala nu ngeen ko gisee si video bi. So let's go, toppa si leen ma. Suma gaay yi, tey domoda laa bëgg ñëw toggal suma gaay yi, ko suma Dutch family. So bi chicken la.
Hungry?
Onion, yeah, don't worry. Very soon I will ready, Black pepper, garlic, ak suma deke. So, suma tomate, tomate loxo. So tey moom dama leen bëgg ñëw fecc domoda bu ne, ngay mën a xam ne African food, So, let's get started. Check leen ma bu baax te ngeen xam ne nag Sina moo mën a tooga domoda. So we get depuis bu ma doon ñëw man leen ne su ma ñëwee domoda laa leen toogal, ñu ne ok te bi waiting pour mën a ko mos. So gars yi toppal leen ma.
Use everything you need.
Yeah, I mean, did you buy
For on the bread?
for something only
Only for on the bread.
Oh, for bread also.
Yes.
Use it for bread. Okay, no problem. So suma gay ñoom dañ ko dee use tamit also ak bread. So it's lovely also. Ñun tamit dañ ko dee use tamit pour bread in Gambia, waaye xam nga ñun mostly amuñ much time pour yooyu noonu. Mburu moom ak bota lañ xam ñun ak ay mayonnaise wala ak ay ñeebe, waaye ñii dañ ko dee use tamit ak mburu. So maana ko ne pour ma xaaf koy ñoom xam naa ne xam nga ñoom seen système dañ dee mën a toogal lu ndaw nii rek comme fo benn yoon nii rek mu jeex. So mooy loolu laa ko doon laajte. so suma gars yi xam naa ne moom ngeen waxal ma tooga bi nu mu nekkee di demee ndax dina dal xel wala du dal xel so let's go. So gis ngeen ganaar bi €4 €4.17. Suma onion. So you do you want to do you want the video, yeah?
Video.
You want to come out in the video, yeah? No problem.
I don't understand. What zeg je?
Mandy Human Venstra. The food is good, yeah?
Very
You like the domoda?
I
So-
like the food.
Okay,
Very nice.
thank you. Yeah. So that is Mandy, Kokumoi Mandy Human Venstra. So this is their daughter Ilona.
Yes.
How do you, the food is nice?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Super, yeah. That is the big man Jan. So how do you feel the domoda?
You told me I should say it's good.
No. Be honest to yourself. No, I don't tell you.
It's okay.
Oh. Yeah, that is Kokumoi Jan, yeah, the big man himself. He like to joke, yeah. So Ilona, this is Shield, the big boy, yeah. The time he came to Gambia 2013, he was little, yeah. He is a Messi fan, yeah. So, you like the food or not?
Yes.
Be honest.
I like the food.
You
Go.
told me something different.
Oh, he said he like it. Yeah, he is very good in technology. He's very good in computer, yeah. He is the one who used to help me to edit. Koku moy seal, yeah. Kila mital si Gambia si Babi time in 2013. Kila mital no hamga. So with the help of God, Momo caused all this relationship, yeah, because of him, yeah. So thank God, they said they like the food, they like the domoda. So I am grateful, yeah. I have cooked something and they like it. So yeah. So Kimoy Ilona, to say it here. Kimoy Ilona he like horse.
Yes.
Yeah. See, they bought horse for her, and today we were from the horse training, yeah. So Kokumoy Ilona, yeah. Mom lañ jëndal horse bi si park bi, and we fofu lañ demoon tey. It is in the video. So he was Momo don't train horse bi, how to ride horse, and all those stuff. So guys, thank you so much. So this is the video of the day today, yeah. The domoda and all those stuff. Ciao ciao.